Aloha everybody, and welcome to Beach Walks with Rocks. Today is show number 204, and you can find us at beachwalks.tv. Today with Nani, a lovely lady of the beach of Lani Kai, and you know, I've seen you many times, Lani. We've never actually had a chance to talk, and so Lani was playing her ukulele this morning, and I asked her if she'd be on the show, and she said yes. But why don't you tell me what you do here in Lani Kai?
Well, I've been on this beach for about 30 years. I raised my kids on it, and now I'm raising my granddaughter. And we don't live on the beach, but I drive here. And I'm the caretaker of those Mokulua Islands out there.
It's okay. Hi, guys.
And I also take care of Flat Island and Goat Island. So I have 4 islands that I take care of for the Department of Land and Natural Resources. And it's a volunteer position. I've been doing it for about 12 years.
And so what does the caretaking involve?
Well, those are bird sanctuaries, and there's about 8,000 wedge-tailed shearwaters on the left island and about 5,000 on the right. Those are called the Mokulua Islands. Moku means island, Lua is 2, but the one on the left is called Moku Nui, that's Big Island, and then the one on the right is Mokuiki, and that's Small Island. And these are the most famous islands and most photographed islands in the world.
I totally get that. Yeah. Well, would you like to play a little music for us?
I will. This is a song that Israel Kamaka Viva Ole sang, and of course he's passed away now, but he's very famous all over the world. Aloha wauhia oe ku'uipo, ku'ulei momi, ku'milimili, o ke heke oe o nā pua, o ke kupuna e hi'ipo ine. Aloha wauhia oe ku'uipo, ku'ulei momi, kupuna e hi'ipo ine. Aole kamana o ke ike aku, komaka palu palu e ke aloha, e loi pili ia i ka pu'uwai, ai lehi e na ka makua. Wana kai noa o ku'uipo, kulei nani le makamai, hei no heo oi I ku'umaka, e ka pu'u I oe o na lani. Aloha.
Aloha. That was marvelous. Much mahalo. Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, I loved it when you did the hula. That was wonderful.
I'm just learning.
Aloha.
Aloha.